everyone, welcome back to Samantha's Jamaican Skincare. I'm so excited to share with you the top 5 skincare mistakes you're making and how to fix them. But before we dive in, I want to be transparent with you. As an Amazon associate, I earn a commission from qualifying purchases made through the link in my description box. So if you do end up trying out any of the products I recommend, thank you for supporting my channel. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content, skincare, self-care, and personal growth. And if you're interested in level up your goal setting and manifestation game, be sure to check out my powerful dream journal. It's a game changer. The link will be in my description. Also, I want to let you know that I'm now offering a range of beauty products on Instagram at Samantha's Jamaican Skincare, including Carotone, Milk Protein, Tamarind Gel, Salirez, and more. You can order if you're living in the US and want me to ship them to you, and you can order them and I'll ship it to you, okay? So let's get right into the video, guys. So mistake number 1 is not removing makeup properly. This can lead to clogged pores, breakouts, and even premature aging. But don't worry, we got a solution. Try using the Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing wipes. The link will be in my description. They are gentle, effective, and perfect for even the most sensitive skin. Mistake number 2 is exfoliating too much. Over exfoliating can lead to irritation, dryness, and even damage to your skin. But don't worry, we've got a solution. Try using this Dermalogica daily Microfoliant. This link will be in my description. It's gentle daily exfoliant that's perfect for all skin type. Mistake number 3, not using sunscreen daily. This leads to premature aging, sunspots, and even skin cancer. But don't worry, we got a solution. Try using the EltaMD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46, and the link will be in my description. Lightweight, non-greasy, and perfect for daily use. Mistake number 4, not moisturizing enough. This can lead to dry, dull skin that's prone to irritation. But don't worry, we've got a solution. Try using the Cetaphil moisturizing cream, and the link will be in my description. It is rich, non-greasy, and perfect for skin, even to dryness skin. So this is the final one, guys. Mistake number 5 is not getting enough sleep. This can lead to puffy, dull skin that's prone to breakout. But don't worry, we got a solution. Try using the Olay cream. The link will be in my description. It is lightweight, non-greasy, and perfect for even the most sensitive skin. And there you have it, guys, the top 5 mistakes you're making and how to fix them. Remember, taking care of your skin is an investment to your health and happiness. So go ahead, give this product a try, and don't forget to check the link in my description box. And if you want to shop my beauty products, head over to Instagram at Samantha's Jamaican Skincare. Send me a DM to order. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.